Add supplier. In this video, we will discuss how to add a supplier in QuickBooks Online. You can select expenses, select suppliers. You can click add new supplier and create a new supplier. Or you can click this new button, select add supplier. In this screen, you can enter your supplier details. First, you can select supplier currency. If you have enabled foreign currency, you can select this currency. Next, you can enter supplier contact details. You can enter title, first name, middle name, last name, and you can enter the company name. You can enter the email address, phone number, and you can enter mobile number, fax number. You can add other information and website. You can enter the supplier address, province, postal code, and country. You can add notes or you can add attachments for this supplier. If you need to attach any tax documents or supplier registration documents, you can attach here. You can add additional information, supplier tax number, and if it is a service provider, you can set the billing rate. You can select payment terms, due on receipt, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, and you can enter supplier account number. You can select default expense category. And if your supplier has opening balance, you can enter the opening balance. You can enter opening balance here, and you can select the opening balance as of date. If you want, you can add custom fields. After that, you can save this supplier. You can enter supplier display name and you can save this supplier. However, it's better if you can enter this contact details, addresses, and tax details. So then these details you can automatically display in purchase orders or supplier bills. We will save this supplier. After you create your suppliers, you can view the list of suppliers. Here you can view supplier name, company name, phone number, email, currency, opening balance, these details. You can search suppliers, and from settings you can add columns. If you want to add columns, you can tick that column, or if you want to remove any column from the list, you can untick that column name. You can view how many suppliers in the system. Now in this system we have 7 suppliers, and you can view unbilled last 365 days, unbilled last 365 days, unpaid last 365 days, paid, open bills, overdue invoice bills, like that. You can view those details. And if you want to print this supply list, you can print, or you can export to Excel sheet. And from here you can email or make inactivate these suppliers from bulk actions. And when you select this supplier, you can enter make payment, create bills, like that. You can do batch actions by selecting these suppliers. Okay, like that you can create your suppliers.